Now let us see what is inside this medical kit and what are the uses of the inner materials during the first aid. See, first is scissor. Scissor is used for cutting and other purposes, nothing etc. The first thing we need to see is this solution, which is this name is Laboseptic solution. This is a septic solution. See, first we need to clean the wound area with this solution using the cotton to prevent from the microbial growth initially. While applying, it will clear the microbial growth over the areas. That's what this use, we can use it. And then secondly, we will be using with the Pyrovox Plus ointment. See, this is the Pyrovox Plus ointment, which is used after cleaning with the septic solution. We can use this for the wounds, normal wounds, like while playing the kids will fall down and getting wound. We can use this for that type of wound. Same, this is antiseptic and prevents microbial growth and then prevents abrasion and cuts over the wound. And this is the povidone iodine powder, which is antiseptic powder, which can be used while cutting due to the iron and other metal materials which can cause septic. So we can use this ointment, which is antiseptic and which prevents from septic of metal materials. This is why we are using it. And then third, we are seeing with this one, and then fourth, we will be seeing with the adhesive, this gauze swabs, which we will be using on the wound to cover the wound. Wait, I will show you. See, this we will be using above the wound. See, and above the wound we will be pasting with this. This is the antiseptic material and which have been coated with the ointment powder, or which is a non-infectious powder, after which we will be using the bandage to cover over it. So you know, this is a cotton, basically uses of the cotton, and this is the bandage which we will be using, and this is also a bandage which is known as a Medigrip, which can be used to cover the wounds, small wounds. We can cover it over if there is no other materials. So this is the tape known as adhesive tapes, adhesive microporous tapes. Why we are using these tapes? We can use other tapes like electrical tapes and solder and normal plastic tapes. Why we are using this? Because this is made with material, especially disinfectant material, gumming agent, and it is a adhesion material which is easily sticking to our skin. So we are using this material, this type of tapes, which is non-infectious, disinfectant and adhesive, easily stickable over the skin, and it will not cause any irritation over the skin. So we are using this. So this is the basically what is inside the Medikit. That's it, friends. Use the Medikit valuable and in an effective manner. That's why we have made this video, friends. Thank you. See you in next video. Thank you, friends. See you on the next video.